In this video, we will see how to get 90% off in VidIQ. To get this discount, click on the first link given in this video's description. You will be able to see this VidIQ page. Click here on Login. You can enter your email ID and password here or simply click on Login with Google. Select the Gmail ID with which you have your account and then click on Continue. You will be able to see this page after you log in. Click here on Upgrade to see the pricing plans. We have 3 plans here. Click here on Monthly because the coupon codes don't work on yearly plans. As Boost is the most popular plan, we will select it. Click on Subscribe to Boost. We have the option to add promo code here. Click on it and type audits and hit Enter or click Apply. You can see we have received 90% off for 1 month. If this coupon code does not work for you, then you can use the other ones. The other coupon code is NewTubers. You can see we have again received 90% off for 1 month. You can also use the coupon code Think and once again we have 90% off. After you get the discount, you can enter the details over here and complete your payment. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that generates animated captions for videos within seconds, then check the video on the left. If you want to know about an AI tool that can write SEO-optimized content for your website, then check the video on the right. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.